5 seconds to go. Start. There are some contradictions, however, on reading the entire evidence, we are of the opinion that the contradictions are not such material contradictions which affect the case of the prosecution as a whole. It is to be noted that the witnesses were examined after almost 14 years have passed, and therefore there may be some contradictions. As per the settled proposition of law, only those contradictions which are material contradictions may create the doubt and benefit of such material contradictions can be given to the accused. In light of the above findings and observations, now we may consider the other submissions on merits. It is the case on behalf of the accused that their conviction for the offence under section 397 IPC is unsustainable. It is also the case on behalf of the accused that even for the offence under section 391 IPC punishable under section 395 IPC, involvement of 5 or more persons in commission of robbery is sine qua non. It is the case on behalf of the accused that in the present case only 3 accused were tried and subsequently one another accused, Benny, came to be tried, and therefore the condition precedent for bringing the case under section 391 IPC dacoity has not been satisfied, as the involvement of 5 or more persons in commission of the offence has not been established and proved, and only 4 accused were tried. It is also the case on behalf of the accused that the courts below have materially erred in convicting the accused for the offence punishable under section 397 IPC, even as per the case of the prosecution. The present appellants, accused numbers 1 and 3, did not use any deadly weapon. Relying upon the decision of this court in the case of Shri Phul Kumar Supra and Dilawar Singh Supra, it is submitted that the accused, who has not used any deadly weapon at the time of committing robbery, cannot be convicted under section 397 IPC for the imposition of the minimum punishment, and the term offender is confined to the offender who uses any deadly weapon to attract section 397 IPC for the imposition of the minimum punishment. It is also the case on behalf of the accused that one another accused, Benny, came to be acquitted subsequently, and therefore the benefit of acquittal of Benny should go to the present appellants accused. To appreciate the aforesaid submissions, the relevant provisions with respect to robbery and dacoity are required to be referred to. The relevant provisions would be section 390 IPC to section 398 IPC, which read as under: robbery. In all robbery there is either theft or extortion. Stop.